think we could get both our faces in?
Sure we can. We did it before.
We have two big heads.
So?
It won't work.
Yes, it will.
Okay, so why are we sitting and not on the plane?
Our crew is late, not the plane.
Where is our crew coming from?
I don't know.
I know the answer.
Where's our crew coming from? Please stop. I want it this
No.
way.
Viewers won't be able to see, but we like this. Hartford, Connecticut. It's late.
Your eyebrows go up every time you talk.
I know.
Alright. Are you excited? How excited are you? I can't get it all. That's not very excited.
Times 10. Times 27.
Why 27?
It's odd.
Wow.
All those people.